Is it possible to transform a delicious kebab plate into a biplane? Sure, we will need only the plate. So, bon appetit! The plate is made out of styrofoam, so it is very light. We will cut it in half, remove the edges, make a proper leading edge for the wing, and glue the two halves using white glue. Keep it in mind that the dihedral angle is very important for the stability of the airplane. Use the same technique to make the second wing. The two wings will be attached together using foam struts. Pay attention to the angle of incidence. I chose Sopwith Camel from World War I. The tail location is prepared and the foam board tail without any moving parts is added. The wings are hot glued at the bottom of the fuselage. Gliding tests are satisfactory. The optimum location of the electronics was identified practically. The electronics was salvaged from an old quadcopter. I tested the electronics and the ability of the propellers to turn the airplane. The airplane is only 40 grams. The airplane performance was average. It still needs some improvements. Unfortunately, further improvement is impossible now. I will build a new design.